good. Okay, so yeah, long UWT. I'm actually legging in here so I can get my fills. Wow, what are you doing? I actually had a bad oil trade this week. I didn't post it yet. I gotta post that in overnight trade. That was a bad trade. Okay, so I'm long UWT. We'll just stick this over here. I'm gonna scale in if I can. IMGN up 6.9%. We cover that on our watch list. FSLR up 10.47%. We cover that one too. We've been watching that one close. DVAX on halt up 1.62%. That's covered on our list too. So those three we're very familiar with. And KOOL, actually, I've looked at a few times. Nothing significant in terms of follow. Up 15%. As far as a plan with all of those, I just want to see how they open. CYTR is on halt until 950. JAGX, I'm surprised a couple of people haven't posted that they're long in this morning so far. I think I'm reading some mail there. JAGX sure looks like a play for a few of the folks I know in the room. And anything else out there? Nothing. I guess DRYS is on the move too. I should mention that. Oh, and I didn't start the recorder. Oh, I did. Nice. Oh, I concern myself. Every moment of every day, I worry. UWT, let's see what's shaking here. We're just up a little bit here this morning so far. It's not easy getting fills to get sized in UWT, so it's a process. It's not just one entry. Nothing else, eh? I might have missed it when you guys were chatting there. Morning, Matt. How are you? I didn't notice you in there, Matt and Sean. I see this is kind of rounding out the week, and next week will be a huge week. Trading for the private fund next week. Gonna be high frequency maniac. Start Monday or Tuesday, whenever they give me the signal. Actually, whenever they give me the passcodes to the nukes. Anybody yelling at me on social media yet here this morning? Let's see. No. Mo, what a nice guy. Gives me a shout out 2 weeks in a row. Sandman, he's a good trader. Joseph Burns, I don't know if he actually he does trade, yeah. Nobody yet. Quite pushed it far enough. Okay, so we're 40 seconds. Looking over pre-market high of JAGX. I guess I should take a look here. Do not hold this, by the way. I legally can't tell you what to do, but don't hold it overnight. Yeah, nice guy. Nice guy. Hopefully he wins. So this could get fun here because it's over its 200 right on the daily. Now it hasn't held it yet, but you never know. It's up against resistance 88. Let's see how it opened there. There it is. Right there, that little speck. UCTT moving average. We have an alert on. So we'll see how JAGX here performs. CYTR still on halt KOOL. Got some volume going. DVAX still on halt. FSLR coming off a little bit. It's in the bowl, it's in good shape on the daily. IMGN, good shape on the daily. UWT, we're going to get some jig here. I know it. There it comes, 2.61%. And what was our alert? Our alert was UCTT, I think. UCTT. Oil might go here. You never know. It's going to go in the next few hours. Scanner's pretty quiet here for an open. Mind you, it is a Friday. Market got a little shook up this week. Seen a lot of arms up in the streets. UCTT. So this is a big test here. Got the horns on the daily. Boy, that's dangerous. Don't mess with this one. We got 248,000 shares. This could get serious real fast. It's a big ship to move, but look at Walmart. That was a great trade, if I do say so myself. That's a big ship to move. KOOL's rocking. North or south? Both. Ooh, there's a right ear sidewinder on UCTT. I just noticed that. This could get serious really fast, and my phone just died, so I can't alert my trades. I didn't even alert UWT. Mind you, I might lose that trade. Probably better I didn't. Oil's coming off. This I really like. I'll hit this one hard if it goes. If it goes, it'll squeeze hard. So for me, that's my play of the day. We'll see. It might wait till Monday. JAGX, there it goes. Up over 50%, $1. I'll take a look. I'm not too concerned about the natural resistance on it because it's just a day trade. If it stops, it stops, and I get out. And I go small with these. 1.938 million shares. Here we go. switch of the candle, brought it right up to 99 cents and 50%. That's really funny. KOOL cooled off. Oil's got jig again to the north. FSLR is off a little bit. IMGN. Okay, oil's taken off now. So UWT should respond here. Wow, what a dog. Oil's gone. Wow, stopped right at 99 cents and the 50-cent mark. So for those that don't know, it's trading the quarters, right? Quarters on the percentages and quarters on the actual ticker amount. So your resistance areas on these morning momos is, like in this case, it'd be 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, 125, 150, etc. And then on the percentage of the same, right? 25%, 50, 75, 100%, especially the 100%. The 50, 100, 200, but same idea. And so that's why I said I'll take the trade over $1 and over 50%, and then stopped at 99 cents. So then what you do real quick, quick little lesson is you watch it on the 5. Make sure that this candle, the bottom of it, stays higher than the bottom of the previous candle, and preferably gets higher than the previous candle. So stays higher than the previous and gets higher than the previous. And if it does that, structurally it's okay. If it doesn't do that, then you know you're really in trouble. As you get closer down to the lower end of time on the 5-minute, so in your last minute or so, that's where it kind of tells you where you are for the next candle, because if pressure comes, then that's not a good sign. But if the bulls step in right at the end of the 5-minute candle, then you usually will get up and over. So when it's time to take the entry on the switch of the candle or wherever you take the entry, when I do it, then I move down to my 1-minute and I get a feel for where I stand. And then once I actually get up over the next resistance, as far as the quarters is concerned, so I would enter at 101, 102-ish, depending, and once I'm up over 125 comfortably, then I'll start watching my VWAP and natural resistance. Natural resistance of VWAP really doesn't matter until you get past that point. So VWAP is orange on my charts. VWAP doesn't really apply until you get into a proven legged system. When it does lose VWAP and the MA start crossing over price, then it's advantage bears. So it's a short at that point. So that's your quick lesson. And for anybody that doesn't know what you're looking at as far as indicators on here, is stock RSI is this one. So that's overbought, oversold. MACD and squeeze momentum indicator. That's a proprietary indicator to TradingView that's been coded by one of the TradingView members that's proven to be highly predictable. Wow, that's quite a range on these candles on KOOL. So the day traders are trading the range on the candle. That's not easy trading. You got to be really good. You got to be able to read your tape to do that. FSLR is still coming off here. It's in the bowl. It's in great shape on the daily. Doesn't surprise me it's up today at all. We've been on top of this one right from the moment it got anywhere near that 200. IMGN is a trending stock now. It's a matter whether or not it bounces off that 20 now. UWT up 1.17%, not getting much action here. Oil has to prove itself here. So this isn't going well for JAGX. UCTT is the type of play that it's up through the bowl. It's now a trending stock. It came back. We cover this one, and I was waiting for it to bounce off the 20 or the 50. It bounced off the 100, but the 20 had crossed down over the 50. So technically, it was risky. So I thought I'd let that sidewinder play out, and it did, and it got its bounce up out of it. And I should have hit in there. I just wasn't paying attention. Now I'm looking for the breakout of the previous high. I suspect that breakout will happen this afternoon. And, you know, if I had to lay bets, they'll leave it right at breakout, right over top of breakout at the end of the day today. That's my guess. And sorry about my bulldog there. And that's it. That's what I'm watching. If anybody else has anything, I'd sure like to hear it, because I wouldn't mind cracking one out of the park here. That'd be awesome. FSLR looks about the best of the bunch. It's up against some natural resistance right there. Well, a fair amount actually. Actually, on each turn, that's an important resistance. Gets up over that, and it should see 59 bucks on its next leg. So starting Monday, stocks like FSLR, I have to day trade them to be able to get the frequency that I'm going to need. So 6 minutes DVAX opens. Not a great open for momentum players. So alert there on MBRX, and Todd had alerted it in the room too there. And oil's got some jig to the north and DVAX. CYTR is off halt. Strategic license. It stopped at 74 there, right on the quarter. It's not the biggest news in the world. That's the problem. Long 1,076 cents. This is tight. It's trading on the fives. 5 cents. That's really tight. Jeez. 1,081. Probably gonna have to cut here soon. I cut flat. It's getting down to the 2 minute, and I thought, wow, it hasn't done much, so let's see. So MBRX is right up against a natural resistance there, but it's got its 200 and its MACD's up, squeeze momentum's trending, so it could go. It's definitely its test area, no doubt about it. Looks like it's setting up for a gap on Monday, but you know, it's always the but. CYTR is advantage bears now. Technically, it's in short territory. Okay, well that looks like open. Oil's still got some mojo. UWT hasn't really responded well off it, but depends what oil does here, I guess. And IMGN is on watch for me. FSLR, DVAX, UCTT, MBRX, and then the ones that are on the watch list. And I'm probably going to look at them all at end of day to see if maybe there's some swing trades I'm going to take there. And just as I'm talking, oil's starting to get jiggy again. So I'm going to make a few conference calls, but I'm going to stay on my monitors. Actually, I got to make 2 really timely calls, and then if nothing gets going here, I'll be back at noon for our midday. If something gets going, then I'll be back before then. Thanks, guys.